Tired of payroll turning into a tangled mess of spreadsheets and stress? Let's untangle that today. First, let's get you oriented. When you log into Gusto, you'll land on your main dashboard. Notice the key navigation tabs: Payroll, where the magic happens; People, your employee hub; Reports, for crucial business insights; and Time Off, for managing employee leave. Running payroll is surprisingly simple. Click the Payroll tab to start a new pay run. Gusto will guide you through each step. You'll enter hours worked, review the pay details for each employee, including deductions and taxes, and then approve the payroll. The People section is your digital filing cabinet. Here, you can manage all employee information, from contact details to compensation history and tax information. Keeping this information up to date is crucial for accurate payroll and tax filings. Need to analyze your payroll data? The Reports section provides detailed insights into your payroll expenses, tax liabilities, and employee earnings. You can customize these reports to track key metrics and gain a better understanding of your finances. Speaking of taxes, Gusto automates the often dreaded process of payroll tax filings. Gusto calculates, files, and pays your federal, state, and local payroll taxes on time, helping you avoid penalties and stay compliant. Finally, Gusto offers flexible employee payment options, including direct deposit and paper checks. Direct deposit is the most popular and efficient method, allowing employees to receive their paychecks quickly and securely. And that's it. With these core functions understood, you're now ready to tackle payroll with confidence. Get back to what you love doing, and let Gusto handle the rest.